there are a lot of people asking me, um, why I started teaching art classes and tutorials for kids, and I just wanted to share with you why. My husband and I, we have an 11-year-old little boy, and we tried to adopt for as long as like a good 10 years. We came from Colorado, and we were foster parents in Colorado for those times. But the door didn't open; nothing really happened. And this year, something magical happened. Something magical. So this year, we got a call about adopting this precious little boy, and I'm showing him to you. We got this precious little boy to become part of our family and the joy of our life. And all of a sudden, like it really came to a time again where I started to watch kids show, back to kids show, and I start just speaking to my baby. He's 17 month old, you know. So I was speaking with him like, "Hey, hello, good morning, all," and all of a sudden, like I thought to myself, I would love to be present and to share um, the ability to create artwork with the little ones, just to think about myself and where I came from. And I will say that I did, as a child, struggle a little bit with creativity, not because I wasn't created. I think I was created as a little girl. But I think that everybody expectation of how you do things and how you draw, how you paint has to fit into a specific box at that season. Things were not like everybody else. They were a little more like free spirit, you know? But that didn't mean that I wasn't an artist. That didn't mean that I didn't have creativity living inside of me. All that it means at that time is that I was not shaped to be put it in the box and say, this is all you can paint. And it was like those big fruits, all together, all those big rivers and landscapes. But for me, I wanted to find the things that attracts my heart, that spoke to me. And then I wanted to paint that. And on the set of this year, with all the children's book and the stories that I was working on, I knew that this would be the time where I bring in a show for the little ones. And thank you to my precious gift that we just adopt this baby boy that brought this life inside of our home of having toys and having baby things and think about all those things back again. So I'm grateful for that, and I'm grateful to be here with the little ones. And my hope, my prayer, and my mission is that they grow up to be free men and women where creativity is very easy, and they don't feel that they are not good enough to do something, that they feel equipped and full of joy to just draw whatever they want to draw, and be celebrated for it. That's that's my goal. So this is why you see me now with those kids' little shows. So it's super special. And I hope that as much as special to me, that is special to you too. So thank you so much for being here. It means a lot to me.